Greetings to all! Before we learn how to draw cubes, sphere, and irregularly shaped objects, we also learn how to draw over their surfaces and use them to create new objects. In today's class, we will learn how to create different shaped objects by using one object to add or remove a piece of volume to another object. Here, we will use the solid tool to realize this operation. So let's get started with the solid tool module. Now, we are going to learn how to use the solid tools to draw the structures shown on the screen, which is a cube that has a cut of a quarter of circle on its edge, and a sphere that has a hole that goes through the entire body. First, we go to View and the Toolbars, then select Solid Tools. We can see there appear new elements in our toolbar. Next, we draw a cuboid and a cylinder. Then switch our view to top view. The viewing projection we see now is perspective, but we need the parallel projection. To do that, we go to Camera and select Parallel Projection. We can see the effect of the perspective projection has been cancelled. Next, we select the entire cylinder. Click the right mouse button and select Make Group and press M on the keyboard, which is a quick button for the Move tool. Then move the cylinder, place it through the one of the edge of the cuboid. Now, switch our view to ISO view to adjust the embed height. Since we not only want to delete overlapping faces, but also create new faces, we are not allowed to use the function called intersect faces. So we use the function called subtract instead. Since this function can only be used on solid groups, we need to make a group for all the objects. Remember, we can triple click on the surface to select the entire cuboids. Click the right mouse button, then Make Group. Now select the Subtract in Solid Toolbar. The subtract function works like this. The object we select the last will subtract the object we select the first. Therefore, we select the cylinder first, then select the cuboid. There, we get our structure done. Today, we learned how to use a different 3D object to remove a piece of volume from a cuboid. It's important to remember the selection sequence for the solid tool. Let's stop learning for now. Goodbye.